Hello friends, today I'm showing you how to make strawberry iced tea. A good homemade cold beverage is always good for the hot weather. Let's get started. We're going to start by making some black tea, so place 2 bags of black tea into a cup of hot water. Cover up the cup, then let the tea steep for 5 minutes. Once the tea has finished steeping, place it in the fridge or on your countertop to cool completely. While the tea is cooling, we're going to blend some fresh strawberries. Make sure your strawberries are very well washed. Throw them into a blender or a food processor, then blend until very smooth. Add some cold water to the blended strawberries, then pass it through a sieve to make the juice even smoother. Next, we're going to add some honey to the blended strawberries. Mix everything together, then pour the mixture into a pitcher. Next, pour in the black tea. Mix everything together. Taste and add more honey according to how sweet you like your iced tea. And that's all there is to it. You can pour this over a glass of ice and enjoy. The iced tea came out very refreshing, bursting with strawberry flavors. If you want to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.